Hello guys, this is Alex again, and this is another video that I'm going to do today. I've just done earlier video on how to remove the headlight out. Now I'm doing a video on how to remove the whole front bumper out, because I'm going to be sorting out my plastic grills all around it because it's not located in properly. So I already removed this headlight. You can see it in the video before this one, but it's easy to do. You only have to use torque 30 and a little screwdriver to unplug the headlight connections. So all you have to do is first of all remove this cover. So there's 5 screws holding it, torque 30 screws, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once that cover is off, you're gonna have one there and one there holding the headlights. Once the cover is off, you undo them too and take the headlight out. All you got is that little plug there. They use a screwdriver to pull the plastic back, and you unclip it, and then you just have to slide it off. And once you've done all that, you'll have to remove the torque 20 screws all around the bumper. So you're gonna have 4 here. Then you're gonna have some, I can show you from here, you're gonna have some on the inside there. You have to do them from the wheel side, and also there's gonna be lots of them under the bumper. So you can raise the car up in the air if you want to make it easier for you. I'm not going to raise it up because I can get to them this way anyway. I just lay on the floor. But yeah, if you want to do it easy way, you have to take the wheels off, get the car up in the air, and you're going to have them screws coming from the inside. So you'll have to undo them on the inside first. You can see there's one there, and they're going to be all around both sides and obviously under the vehicle as well. So I'm gonna work my way through it and I'm gonna show it to you how to do it. It's not that bad. So like I said guys, I removed the headlight. It was quite easy. That's the plug that I showed you. All you have to do is put screwdriver behind that and pull it back. You hear the click, then you just have to slide it off, and that's where the screws will bolt in the headlight on. One there and one there. So that's all off now. And like I say, if you want to see more detailed video on how to remove the headlight, you can watch my previous video. So once you're here, what you'll do is, what my next step will be, removing 4 of them T20s. And you can also see what you have to do in case you want to replace your horn, which is located there. There's a nut there holding it on and a little plug. So that's what you have to do to replace your horn. Just remove the driver's side headlight, and the same if you're doing your screen wash pump. If it's not working, that's where it's located. So you can see you got more than enough space to do it. It's nice and easy. So right guys, I'm gonna remove them 4 now, and then start removing the side arches bolts there. Right guys, so like I said, you have to remove the T20 screws out. I got 7 of them out on this side, as you can see. So the ones you have to remove, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and them 2, 5, 6. So obviously from the bottom, from there. And once you remove those 6, you have to get the cover down, push it down. There's going to be another one sitting behind the cover right in there. You can see it from the top. It's the one that goes in there, that's holding the bumper in there. So once you remove that one, you can just pull this off. It comes off. Like you see, that's the one that I'm talking about. That's the number 7. So once you remove the cover bolts off, you'll be able to get to it. Once you've done it, you'll be able to pop this off and obviously do the same on the other side now, which is what I'm going to do. And then next step will be going on the ones under the bumper. So I'm going to do the other side now. Right guys, so done the same on this side. It's popped off now. Before you go any further, it will be a good idea to disconnect your lights that you got there. I know some bumpers are different, but usually you got either fog light or just the side lights there. So you might as well either take them out, turn it and pop it off, or just unplug them. It's up to you. So I'm gonna just take them out. Just make sure you don't damage them. This one just pops off like that. And the same on this side. And like I said, if you're doing your horn, this is also quite easy. All you have to do the horns is get the headlights out, and you're gonna have one there and the other one there. And the same, like I said earlier, there's the jet wash pump as well. If you want to do that, that's where you have to be. Just like I said, get them out. Be careful, don't break them. And now you can start undoing the screws at the bottom. So there will be screws holding it there. You can see one there. There's going to be the other one on the other side. I'm going to take it off. It'll be easy to show you where the screws are. I got a bit of an issue because obviously someone done some damage on this before and they've put some cable ties there, so I have to look into that. But I'll show you in a second what you have to remove from the bottom when it's easier to see. Right guys, so the bumper is off. Like I said, on my one it's a bit different because it had a smack. This is not the original bumper. It's not being held on properly under it, but I can tell you that there's screws. There's 5 of them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the ones you have to take off. They're also T20s. And yeah, that's the bumper off now. So when you're here, I also actually use a bit of duct tape or just a bit of tape to cover the paintwork when you're taking the bumper off, because I'm doing it on my own, just to be safe. Usually it wouldn't scratch any, but like I said, it's better to be safe. Just put some there, especially when you're putting it back on, because you're going to struggle a little bit to align it. So yeah, now you're at the stage where you can do whatever you want, what you need to do. I know which your reason is to remove the front bumper. But like I said, I'll be fixing my plastics and obviously looking at the damage. But yeah, like I said, if you need to replace your horn, you could have done it just by taking the headlights out, because that's where it is. There's one here and one on the other side. And also if you're doing your screen wash pump, you have to remove the bumper, or you have to remove this cover completely, whichever is easier for you. Like I said, bumper you can do it in 20 minutes. So what's holding the screen wash bottle is 1 10mm there and another 2 there. So once you're done them, it'll come off. And if you're doing just the pump, you can see it's there, little tab there to remove it. Unplug the connections, so you pull this plastic up and then it comes out both sides. They're like secure plugs. And then just get a screwdriver behind the pump and just move it out. You're going to have a rubber seal there, and obviously be prepared to catch all the screen wash that's going to come out. So just pull it out pretty much and get a new one on. Make sure you reuse the rubber seal, if not it's not going to seal properly. So yeah guys, that's pretty much where you have to be. If you got any other questions, please let me know and comment below. If this was helpful, please subscribe and share my video. And like I say, if you need any help, please let me know. I'll make sure that I'll do more videos for you and help you as much as I can online. Right guys, have a good day. Bye.